Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 80 wpm near about. Start. One of the contention being raised by the appellant before us is that while granting maintenance to the respondent, the learned family court has failed to consider the fact that the appellant also has a liability to pay maintenance to his mother to the tune of rupees 35,000 per month in terms of the order passed by Learned Family Court, Ahmedabad in CRMA number 555/2023, full stop, as per the observation of the Learned Family Court in the impugned order, the said maintenance amount of rupees 35,000 per month was granted on the basis of the willingness of the appellant, full stop. The said observation of the learned family court has not been disputed before us by the appellant, full stop, be that as it may, if the mother of the appellant requires the maintenance of rupees 35,000 per month from the appellant oblig her son and rupees 15,000 per month from her husband, then seen in the said context, the award of maintenance by the learned family court to the tune of rupees 10,000 per month to the wife and rupees 15,000 per month to the daughter should not have been hesitated as being excessive by the appellant before us, full stop. It would not be out of context to mention that the father of the appellant is a pensioner and receives a pension of rupees 35,000 per month, and the sister of the appellant is a teacher in a school and earning for herself, full stop. The mother of the appellant is, therefore, more appropriately considered a dependent of the father of the appellant, not the appellant himself, full stop. As far as the arguments of the appellant that the learned family court has not taken into consideration his liabilities and the personal loans taken by him is concerned, it is the settled law that no relaxation for any personal loan or society loan or for purchase of any house or investment in any house, can be given in the matters of maintenance, as the loans are being taken by the appellant for his own benefit, full stop. Moreover, in the present case, the learned family court has already taken the same into consideration while passing the impugned order, and we do not find any infirmity in the same, full stop. In view of the aforementioned discussion, we find no infirmity in the impugned order passed by the learned family court, full stop. The disposal of the application under section 340 of the CRPC, as well as the application raising interrogatories, is within the domain of the learned family court, full stop. एंड ओवर। सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर लीगल डिक्टेशंस प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।